Hey people, as you all know, each time I come across an interesting page on Instagram, I like to do a short video on it. And so there is this page called Rebrand 00. It's not just a page, it's like a marketing company that could help scale your business in terms of if you want to host webinars or basically a lot of marketing agencies online help you grow your follower base, but this particular page stood out for me because it was all about, if you are a coach, this particular company is willing to do all the back end work, like creating funnels and generally just so that you land these high paying clients. And because there's a lot of legwork involved in if you were to set up a online coaching business. So people, this particular page and this particular company, like it's called Rebrand 00, you can find it on Instagram. And I spoke to the founder the founder chairperson today, and it was I came away so impressed. So here's wishing Rebrand all the luck in the universe, because it is a company, like when I spoke to the founder, I realized that they are genuinely looking to help grow your business. So for all my friends out there who want to be able to set up some online business, coaching business, do connect with Rebrand 00. I can't recommend this particular gentleman in particular, Mr. Ganesh. I can't recommend him enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.